Assalamu alaikum class. Hope so you will be safe and sound at your homes. In our lecture, we were discussing about organelles, cell organelles. Cell organelles we have learned about ribosomes, nucleus, mitochondria. Similarly, there are some other organelles which are present in our cells. In our cells, organelles basically these are the component of the cells which works together to make a cell functional. If their organelles are working, it means that we can say that a cell is working. So the organelles, different organelles work together, perform their own functions and make a cell functional. Similarly, we have a Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is an other organelle. Now we will see what is the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus, an Italian physician Camillo Golgi discovered a set of flattened sacs cisternae in the cell. Basically, this is the structure. This is the structure of Golgi apparatus. Structure. In the structure, Golgi apparatus, first of all, a Camillo Golgi was a scientist who discovered this Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus basically present in the cell. They are present in the form of set. In the form of set, like they are flattened sacs. Just like we can say that, for example, for instance, if we say we have a packet of bread means they are packed in a bread are laying under over each other. It means that one by one, when they are set over each other, they make a full bread packet. It means similarly, these flattened sacs, these are called cristerni. When they are stacked over each other, we collectively call this as Golgi apparatus. This one is Golgi apparatus, and this single flattened sac is called cristerni. Cristerni are set together. They are combined to make a Golgi apparatus. Yes, this is the Golgi apparatus. In this set, many cristerni are stacked over each other. The complete set of cristerni is known as Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. We are also called Golgi apparatus as Golgi complex. It is found in both animal and plant cell. This organelle is present in both cells, in animal as well as in plants. It modify molecule coming from, we can say that here we will start its function. This one is its structure, and now starts its function. What the Golgi apparatus do in our cell? It modify molecules coming from rough endoplasmic and pack them into small membrane bounded sacs called the Golgi complex. It means that we can say that its function is whenever the molecules, whenever different energy packets, we can say that different energy sources, different molecules, different chemicals, whenever they come from rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic, basically there are ribosomes. They make different proteins, they make different we can say that other functioning, like endoplasmic reticulum make different molecules, different ions. Whenever they come from the Golgi, they come from the endoplasmic reticulum. These molecules, these ions, when they come out from the rough endoplasmic reticulum. They come to the Golgi apparatus, and Golgi apparatus give a membrane, make a sacs, we can say that the packets, by which, for example, a molecule come from the endoplasmic reticulum. It comes to this Golgi apparatus, and this Golgi apparatus pack them into a membrane. It give them a membrane, and we can say that this molecule and membrane, we collectively called it as Golgi vesicle. Golgi vesicle. These vesicles, these sacs can be transported to the various location in the cells or the exterior to its exterior in the form of secretion. When the cell membrane is formed, when a cell membrane is formed around a molecule, then we can say that this molecule is, now we can say that it's a packed. Other chemicals do not affect on it. Membrane, basically membrane is bounded, membrane is made around them for its protection. Whenever the membrane is made around them, it means that it is protected. Now it can be transported to the other cell part or maybe out of the cell. Whenever a molecule is transported from one area of the cell to another area or out of the cell. A membrane is bounded around it for its protection, and this membrane is made by Golgi apparatus. Its main function to make a membrane around them. Yes, this is basically its function, Golgi apparatus. First of all, we have its structure. We have the its scientist name. Obviously, Golgi apparatus mean this name is just because of this. His it's after its discovery. Its name of his scientist Golgi. Yes, so its main function is to give membrane around them, and then can be transported to the various location in the cells or out of the cell. Now you can see the Camillo Golgi. He was awarded in 1906 by a Nobel Prize for its discovery of the Golgi apparatus. Now the next topic is lysosomes. Lysosomes. Similarly, just like Golgi apparatus, lysosome is also a cell organelle. The main function of lysosome, we can say that, let's start in the mid 20th century, a Belgian scientist, Christian Rien de Dove, discovered the lysosomes. It is a scientist name who discovered the lysosome. These are the single membrane bounded organelle. Lysosome contain, we can say that it's a structure like about this only about what are the lysosome. It's heading, we can say that it's definition. Now next is the function. Lysosomes contain strong digestive enzyme and work for the breakdown for the food and the waste material within the cell. Yes, where there are the different molecules present in the cell, there are different chemicals, there are different food, glucose, maybe some other. Lysosome, what the lysosome do? Lysosome contain digestive enzymes. Basically these enzymes break down these molecules of food and the waste material within the cell. During its function, a lysosome fuse with a vacuole that contain the targeted material, and its enzyme break down the material. Now you can see here. Yes, after making the membrane around we can say that molecule, for let's suppose it's a glucose molecule. Golgi apparatus make a membrane around this molecule, and whenever they come out from the Golgi apparatus, lysosome are present there. They are fused. Lysosome, basically these are digestive enzymes. These are bounded with targeted material. Targeted material mean in which our glucose is packed. It is, first of all, it is fused with a vacuole. It is attached to a vacuole. Then lysosomes combine or fuse with these. This is the primary lysosome, and this is the target material. Target material mean which molecule or ion which we have to break down in the cell. Yes, these lysosomes combine with these vacuole, this targeted material. When they are combined, they are in a membrane. Yes, these molecules, yes, these yellow color, you can see these yellow color lysosome, these digestive enzyme break down this targeted material. When it started its breakdown, it become like these are the pieces of targeted material. Breakdown mean digestion mean digested enzyme break down a large molecule into the smaller one. Similarly, these molecules, we can say that lysosomes, basically these are digestive enzymes. These get started to digest these material. When they started digest them, it means that they are starting break down then. Yes, in the further step, you can see these are the pieces of targeted material. So the main function of the lysosome to digest these pieces. Basically, whenever different chemicals or different waste material whenever enter into our cell, these lysosome work there. These lysosome break down these waste, or we can say that harmful material into the smaller one. In some cases it is very useful. In the case of just like few molecules are harmful for other organelles, lysosome break down them. Lysosome started break down them, and it makes when they started break down them, it means that these molecules become we can say that these molecules, when they become breakdown, it means that they become harmless, we can say that. Yes, or in the case of some large molecules, when it obviously we have study about no yes, we have study about different enzymes. Yes, you are familiar with enzymes, and these basically their function to break down our food. Whenever we eat food, it means there are some enzymes that break down them. Similarly in our cell, whenever molecules either they are harmful or they are useful, these lysosomes combine with them and break down into the other molecules. This was all about the Golgi apparatus and lysosomes. Yes, we will further proceed in our next lecture about centrioles. Yes, we will discuss in our next lecture. Okay class, have a nice day.